Welcome to the housekeeping qualification. We are now in third unit of competency, which is provides valet and butler services to guests. Watch and learn.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Libertad Hotel. May I ask your bag, ma'am? Please come in. Have a seat, ma'am. And go back to my place, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the Libertad Hotel. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'm your servitor for today. Under my name, Rowena Kitson Espinola.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait for a while. I will check your name in the reservation book. Okay, ma'am. Your name has been confirmed. You receive a room number 3. You have a double bed and prepare your lunch and dinner good for 2 persons and 2 nights and 1 day. It's alright, ma'am. Here's your room card, ma'am. And you have any question and request, don't hesitate. Call us, just wait about there in a waiting area and over there to assist into your room and explain to our facilities in our area.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Malu, your butler attendant for today, and this is our lobby. Okay, ma'am, we are in elevator area. We have a swimming pool at the rooftop. In the second floor, we have a gym and spa. In the first floor, we have a dining area and a bar. Okay, ma'am, we are now on the third floor. Room for guest area. Okay, ma'am, we are here in your room. In opening the door, just place the key card. Before we proceed, ma'am, this is our switch. We have our television, ma'am. You can watch her YouTube channel and Netflix. We also have our complimentary drinks. We have our water and coffee. What do you want, ma'am? Water or coffee? We have our refrigerator, ma'am. Inside, we have our beer and soda drinks. They are all payables. We have our aircon, ma'am. If you want